Hey guys, this is Priyanka Manikantan and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see the proceedings of Sivaganga custodial death of Mr. Ajit Kumar. Let's get started. The Madras bench of the Madras High Court on Tuesday, that is July 8th, 2025, ordered the Director of the Central Bureau of Investigation, that is CBI, to appoint an investigating officer IO along with a team of officials in a week to probe the recent custodial death of B. Ajit Kumar, a temple security guard in Sivaganga. The court directed the IO to complete the probe and submit the final report to the jurisdictional court by August 20th. Hearing a batch of public interest litigation petitions, a division of Judges S.M. Subramaniam and A.D. Maria Clay directed the IO to collect the report of the 4th Additional District Judge Madurai, who conducted the inquiry into the case, material evidence, records, and other related documents from Registrar of Madurai Bench of Madras High Court. The court said 4th Additional District Judge Madurai, yes, John Sundarlal Suresh had records, facts, evidence, and collected material evidence to ensure important evidence was not destroyed by the local police. The report would be of help to the IO. The court directed the IO to collect the jurisdictional judicial magistrate's report to proceed with the probe, and the Director General of Police to ensure that the forensic science report was filed before the court concerned in 1 week. The Inspector General of Police and Superintendent of Police and collectors of Madurai and Sivaganga districts were directed to provide assistance to the CBI team. The state had to provide protection to witnesses under the Witness Protection Scheme. All material evidence collected and the documents available could be received by the IO for conducting an effective investigation without any undue delay, the court observed. Tamil Nadu government submitted a report on the transfer of the investigation in the case to the CBI, for which a GO had been issued. The state said Caesar's wife must be above suspension, and that was why the probe was transferred to CBI. It undertook that the alleged theft of jewelry, as claimed by a woman complainant in the case, would also be transferred to the CBI, and a GO would be issued with this regard. A free house site patta was granted to B. Malati, the mother of Ajit Kumar, and a job in Avin, Karikudi, was provided to Navin Kumar, his brother, the state told the court. With regard to the grant of interim compensation, the court sought response from the state. The court observed that the state was duty bound to identify victims and provide compensation as an interim measure. It was an alleged gruesome attack and a murder of a young person who had no criminal antecedents. It was imminent for the court to consider the grant interim compensation in order to win the public's confidence and trust. The report revealed it was a case of custodial death. The state itself registered a case against 5 police personnel. The 5 police personnel and the Manamadurai Deputy Superintendent of Police were placed under suspension, and the Sivaganga SP was kept under compulsory waitlist. Hence, there was no reason to deny compensation to the victims, the court observed. The Council of Petitioners submitted the investigation by the CBI might take longer time, and the victim might not get justice within a reasonable time. The court was not expected to preempt such a situation when the circumstances in the present case warranted transfer of investigation to the CBI, since the alleged perpetrators were the local police. If the trust and confidence were questioned, the High Court was expected to ensure a fair and free investigation, which required transfer of the case from the state police to the CBI. In the present case, the state itself had agreed to transfer the cases, the court observed. The state further submitted the video clippings of the court proceedings in the case were being recorded and circulated on social media, which was against the Madras High Court video conferencing in the court rules 2020. The judges said the court would deal with this matter separately and posted the matter of hearing to July 22.